Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today Apple has introduced the new iPhone SE. Yes, after years of waiting, speculations, leaks, rumors and all that, we finally have a new iPhone SE. It doesn't look new, it looks just like the iPhone 8. So in this video, I will tell you guys everything you need to know about the 2020 iPhone SE in under 3 minutes. The iPhone SE, as I said at the beginning, will come with the same design as the iPhone 8. It comes in 3 different colors: white, black, and also product red. It will feature basically the same display, 4.7-inch Retina HD display, which of course will feature also the Touch ID on the home button. Don't expect it to have a Face ID. It has the Touch ID just like the iPhone 8. And it will be run by the A13 chip, and this is really good. This is a really powerful chip to have on an iPhone, and it should be good for a few years. The main camera of the iPhone SE is a 12 megapixel single lens camera with an aperture of 1.8, and of course it can shoot 4K video up to 60 frames per second. Of course, the iPhone SE 2020 will come with iOS 13 installed, and it should be good to run a few more years, a few more new versions of iOS. The iPhone SE will come in 3 different variants: 64 gigs, 128, and also 256 gigabytes in black, white, and also product red, starting at $399 for the 64 gigs iPhone. Now, if you want to order this iPhone, you will be able to order it on April 17th, and then on April 24th you should be able to get this iPhone on your hand. So that's everything that you need to know about the new iPhone 2020 in under 3 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.